Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Account Password Manager or Gmail Account Password Manager. And in this video, I will show you how to encrypt your password before they are saved to your Google account or your Gmail account in Google Password Manager. This is one of the things you need to set up in order to protect your password safe on your Google account or your Gmail account. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then go ahead and click on manage your Google account right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on password manager right here. So here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon. Then scroll down right here until you get to on device encryption. For added safety, encrypt passwords on your devices before they are saved to Google Password Manager. Go ahead and click on Setup right here. Take control of your password encryption. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Next. Things to consider. Once on device encryption is set up, you can't remove it. Some site and app will no longer sign you in automatically. We also need to enter your Google password to unlock your password or on device. Go ahead and click on Setup right here. Updating password encryption. Go ahead and log in with your Google account password to complete the setup. Go ahead and click on Next. Updating password encryption. Go ahead and click on Done right here. It's that simple. You can see it right here. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to secure your password manager or Google account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.